Welcome back to the Overview Portal training series. In this video, we will cover the following: 3 methods for creating job sites, how to create asset types, how to modify a job site, and how to delete a job site from your Overview Portal. If this is your first time accessing your portal, please be sure to watch the Overview Home Screen Features tutorial to become more familiar with the elements of your new portal. I've included a link to the video in the description below. Please note that the minimum user level required to create, modify, or delete a job site is Super User. An Overview customer service representative can adjust your permissions if needed. Let's dive right into the 3 methods for creating job sites. You can use the Add Job Site button with the Map Configuration menu by using the Potential Job Sites list, or by right-clicking on the map and the location you would like to create the job site. Let's start with the most recommended method, by using the Add Job Site button. Select Add Job Site from the Map Configuration menu, located on the upper right-hand side of your portal. The Add Job Site window will appear. First, start by typing in the name of the job site into the name field. For this demonstration, I will be creating a job site called Contoso-02-LIB. Select the type of the job site from the Asset Type drop-down menu. These types can be created in the Asset Type admin screen, located in the main menu, which I will be covering later in this tutorial. I'm selecting Construction Job Site for this example. Gateway will be selected by default from the Tracker drop-down menu. The comment field, serial number, vehicle identification number, or VIN field, license plate field, and location fields are optional. Next, type in the address of your job site in the following format: street address, city, state, zip, and country. You can find this format in the description below. Once you have entered your address, select the down arrow button to populate the latitude and longitude fields. Select the OK button to complete the new job site setup. Once the job site has been created, you will see a red geofence surround the job site. This geofence allows assets to automatically snap into the job site if they are within the red radius. The default radius is 328 feet, or 100 meters. This can be changed depending on job-to-job proximity and your needs. The starting snap radius is set by the default radius of the user that created the job site on the Options tab under Default Job Site Radius. Each user can have their own default radius that only applies when that user creates a job site. Thereafter, whatever the radius or geofence is changed to is where the geofence radius will stay. To grow or shrink the size of the geofence, select the blue diamond on the side of the circle and drag it in or out accordingly. The system waits until all physical trackers or vehicles are no longer in the red radius before snapping the assets into the job site. Next, I'll cover how to create a job site from the list of potential job sites located in the Container tab section. The benefit of this method is that it will automatically generate the latitude and longitude based on the location of assets. With the Potential Job Sites tab selected, select a potential site from the list and then click the Create Job Site button. Fill in the name and select the asset type. The latitude and longitude will already be filled in, so you'll need to select the up arrow to populate the address field. Click OK to create the job site. The third method for creating a job site is by right-clicking on the map area. Find the location you would like to create the job site and right-click on the map. The Create Job Site window will appear. Fill in the name and select the asset type. Select the up arrow to populate the address field and click OK. Now we'll cover how to add a job site type to the list if you need to classify a job site as something other than what is pre-configured. Start by navigating to your admin menu. Select Asset Types, and then click on the blue Add button. Give the asset type a descriptive name. Select Job Site as the tracking type, and then select the presentation. The presentation selected will determine which icon is displayed on the map. Now that we have a job site created, let's modify it. Select a job site by clicking on the map or from the Asset View list. Click Edit Asset and modify the job site to meet your needs. For this example, I'm going to update the comment field and then click OK to save my changes. To close a job site, you have two options. The first option is by selecting the job site on the map. Click Close Job Site in the Asset pop-up window and then confirm it by clicking Yes. The second option is by selecting the asset within the asset list and clicking Close Job Site within the Asset Detail view. Confirm the close by clicking Yes. The closed job site, by default, will be visible on the map for 7 days. This setting can be changed on the Options tab section under Days to show closed job sites. Deleting a job site should only be performed if you have created a job site in error or know you will no longer require data on a particular job site. Remember, deleting a job site is irreversible. Navigate to Browse Assets. Select the job site you wish to delete. Click the red X button on the upper right-hand side. Click Yes to the confirmation window to complete the deletion. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial of job sites within the Overview portal. For more information, please click the link in the description below or email our sales team at overviewsales@logichost.com.